Training children to sleep is a process of teaching them how to fall asleep and stay asleep on their own, without relying on external aids or parental presence. There are many benefits of training children to sleep, both for the children and their parents. Some of the benefits are: 1. Improved health for the children. Sleep is essential for the development of young minds and bodies. It affects their growth, immune system, brain function, mood, and behavior. Children who sleep well are more likely to be alert, attentive, resilient, and happy. 2. A happier and better-tempered child. Sleep problems can cause children to be cranky, irritable, hyperactive, or aggressive. They may also have difficulty regulating their emotions and coping with stress. Sleep training can help children learn to self-soothe and calm themselves down when they are tired or upset. 3. Better parenting for the parents. Parents who sleep train their children are more likely to have lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. They may also feel more confident and competent in their parenting skills and have more time and energy for themselves and their partners. 4. A better relationship between parents. Sleep problems can strain the relationship between parents, especially if they disagree on how to handle them or have different sleep preferences or schedules. Sleep training can help parents align their goals and expectations, communicate better, and support each other. 5. A foundation of obedience in the child. Sleep training can teach children to follow rules and boundaries, respect authority, and cooperate with others. It can also foster a sense of independence and self-reliance in the child, which can benefit them later in life. 6. Faster falling asleep and less waking up at night. Sleep training can help children develop healthy sleep habits and routines that make it easier for them to fall asleep at bedtime and stay asleep throughout the night. This can reduce the frequency and duration of nighttime awakenings, which can disrupt the quality and quantity of sleep for both the child and the parent. 7. Improved emotional well-being for mothers and fathers. Sleep problems can affect the mental health of both mothers and fathers, especially if they suffer from postpartum depression or anxiety. Sleep training can improve the mood and sleep quality of both parents, which can have positive effects on their self-esteem, coping skills, and relationship satisfaction. As you can see, there are many benefits of training children to sleep that can improve the well-being of the whole family. However, sleep training is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and different methods may work better for different children and parents. If you are interested in learning more about sleep training methods for babies and young children, you can check out some of these resources: Sleep Foundation, The Conversation, Cleveland Clinic, Sleep Doctor. I hope this information helps you understand why sleep training is important and how it can help you and your child get some restful sleep. Good night. Smile.